We compared Opello insecticide with planazoline technology to a competitor, Nurizma, to show their level of fertilizer compatibility. So you saw that when Nurizma was diluted in fertilizer, when that's poured through the sieve, it blocks the sieve. So what's being delivered to the field is fertilizer with not much active ingredient. With Opello, diluted in fertilizer, when that's poured through the sieve, it flows right through, and so what's being delivered to the field is all of the active ingredient. When developing Opello, we tested over 100 different chemistries to find a composition that would deliver the fertilizer compatibility that we knew we needed. We then tested over 70 different small variations of that chemistry to hone in on the final composition. A lot of testing has gone in to find the perfect fit to ensure that this formulation is compatible with a wide variety of starter fertilizers.
So we're specifically targeting corn rootworm, wireworm, and white grub. And growers across the corn belt use starter fertilizer. We need to be able to have a formulation that's compatible in that starter fertilizer and that can be applied in a consistent manner in the soil at planting. Opello insecticide with planazoline technology will address grower needs because it's fertilizer compatible, very high efficacy against soil-dwelling insect pests, relatively low use rate, and it can be tank mixed in the liquid starter fertilizer. A corn soil applied insecticide that's not compatible in fertilizer will result in clogged screens, and what that ends up meaning is less active ingredient applied to the furrow and lower performance. I've personally looked at hundreds of trials against corn rootworm, wireworm, and white grub. And one of the striking things that I've recognized is the consistency across location, across geography, and across a number of different corn rootworm pressures. Whether you've got extreme pressure or low pressure, you're going to be able to maximize your yield potential with the use of Opello insecticide.
Opello insecticide addresses a multitude of grower demands. One, the agronomic fit. We know we control soil-dwelling insects at or above industry standards. Two, we have tank mix compatibility with a wide-ranging starter fertilizer. And lastly, yield. If you look at our data that we've had over the last few years, all of our yield studies show that we're yielding equal to or better than any industry standard soil insecticide. Growers are excited for Opello because it brings new innovation to a difficult to control pest of corn rootworm, allowing the growers flexibility in their planter, their starter fertilizer, hybrid selection, and then also ultimately trying to maximize their yield opportunity on their farm.